It's funny. This song, it never fails to get the every time I open my mouth to sing it. Whenever I perform it in front of a live audience, it always gets a maybe it's because this movie that I did about 18 years ago with a certain leading man who happens to be sitting in the front row. No, you cannot come up here. Perhaps you've seen this movie like running, like reruns. What? Kahit na pinagbawalan. Oh my gosh! Those are flowers. Flowers. Oh, these are, thank you. And you have a, oh God, you have a mic?
I have a mic.
I'm scared.
No
What
choice.
What are you gonna do?
Sarap ah. Wow, PICC feels like home. Feels like home. I remember, Gerard, di ba? Bago ka pa lang nun, ano? Wala pa kayo sa timing nun eh. And Leia, I remember you guessing in my show here sa PICC also. Thank you. I'll never forget. No, I'm just kidding. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Good evening. And
Oh my,
congrats, Leia.
thank you.
You know what, bago po ako umupo, gusto ko lang po sabihin na nung pagdating ko kanina, there's always been this talks about our movie. Na sabi namin wala namang storya. Sabi ko, if it's not gonna be good, then let's not do it at all. And finally, kanina, Tita Malu Santos of Star Cinema, I'll say this, ha?
Okay, just keep
Finally, sinabi lang, and Rory Quintos is there, my director sa Kailangan Kita in Dubai, told me that finally, andyan na yung storya. And it's really... And that we start filming second, third quarter of next year. Hindi mo pa alam yun, ano? Okay. Alam ko na yun. So that's why when you say, aga lose weight, watch out, guys. It's gonna happen. Lulumay kayo mga plunging neckline mo dyan. Daring na si Lea Salonga, kayo na, no?
Ayaw mo?
Gusto ko. Patas ako ng palayo, ano?
I'm not even moving.
Oo nga eh. I'll see you.
You know what? No, come here.
Basta next year
No,
po.
no, come here.
Watch out, really. It's alam ko.
Come here.
Lay my
I
mic.
think it's okay. I'm getting permission from Charlene, who's just,
Okay lang. It's okay. My
Okay lang?
kids are, it's okay. It's fine.
it's okay. I like the beard.
Thanks for you.
Thank you.
All for you.
Okay, so
Nahiya ako? Parang...
would you like to sit down, or would you like?
Sige. Ayaw mo duet? No? Talaga solo
No,
ka?
it's
Solo?
not a duet.
Okay.
God no. God no. Sweetheart, this is for you. Sana maulit muli ang mga oras nating nakaraan. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana maulit muli. Sana bigyan ng pansin ng himig ko. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon. Tanging wala nang ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana. No. Ibalik ang kahapon, sandaling di mapapantayan. Huwag sana nating itapon pagmamahal na tapat. Kung ako'y nagkamali minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan? O giliw, dinggin mo ang nais ko. Kung kaya ko iwanan. You can do that, it's okay. Di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana. Ito ang tanging nais ko, ang ating kahapon sana maulit muli. Di na sana aasa pa. Di na sana lalapit pa. Di na sana aasa pa. Di na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita. Oh, giliw. Oh, giliw. Thanks, Aga.